You guys, welcome back with the another blog. So today we are gonna try something different. You can see the canal is completely freezed. We had to cross it first. So today we are going to try something new. You can see it's getting chopped. We have never tried it before, so this is gonna be the first time. It's gonna be the amazing experience while trying this stuff. So wait for it. So we have some spices here. The first spice that we're gonna add would be the turmeric powder, and second one would be the red chili powder, and third one will be the garam masala, and the fourth one will be methi, sixth one will be the garlic, and seventh one will be salt, and the eighth one is gonna be the desi ghee. So here you can see some migratory birds, like the wild birds are moving right now. You can see it looks amazing while having this moment here. So you can see the chopping process is gonna be completed within a couple of minutes. In the meantime, you can see this frozen canal, and my friend is enjoying on it. You can see, like, I guess the weight of my friend could be 85 kg. So you can see it's completely frozen, and it's -7 degrees here. And my another friend is collecting the firewoods. You can see. Meanwhile, we are preparing the fire. So you can see my friend is putting, some precursors in it so that it would be easy for us, like to catch fire in it. And you can see here the sun is coming out and it's shining. You can see the bright lights are getting on. So now we are going to chop the garlic here. Okay, it's good to add more garlic, and because it has so many health benefits. Now the chopping process is completed, so we are going to add some spices in it. You can see the salt is being added. Now it's turmeric powder that's being added on it. And you can see here garam masala, yes, and it's methi that is getting added on it. And you can see finally the red powder. Now finally the fire power is getting prepared here, and it's very hard to make it burn under minus conditions. So this is how it looks actually. This is the final moment of chopping. Now we have set up the frying pan on the fire pot here. You can see it. We were not expecting like it would get easily burned, but it did. So the first thing, we are going to put desi ghee in it. You can see 2 to 3 spoons will be added in it. You can see finally the meat chapatis are being prepared now. So it's gonna be the fun. Wow, you can see that. So this is how it looks after getting fried. Whoa! So finally you can see the mutton halwa is completely prepared now. So let me go ahead and taste it. Wow, it's amazing, the taste of it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel so that we can make the more videos. Thank you. Goodbye.